Teocalli always stood out to me as being my favorite mountain. The difficulty for the trail, I would say that it has to be broken down into two different categories, the climb and the descent. The climb is probably intermediate, but fitness-wise, it's definitely an advanced climb. The view at the top is one of my favorites. I just love looking around and not being able to see a single building. The descent is intermediate to advanced. You can kind of choose your own adventure and make it as hard as you want. It's just pretty cool. I would say the Teocalli descent is probably top 3 in my books for descents in the valley. It's a pretty good bang for the buck. My name is Cooper Ott, and I live in Gunnison, Colorado.